Definitely a lot of lightning. Oh yeah, that was a good one. That was some good thunder. Another lightning strike right when that thunder was rolling. Wow. Whoa! Man, that was a good one. You know what? This might not be a good spot. This might not be a good spot standing out here. Wow, that was impressive. A lot of lightning. It's not really a big storm, but that's a lot of lightning. Yeah, this is not. This is. It's like just getting over. Wow, again. It's just over top me now. Just starting to get over top me. You got all this lightning going on. Wow, that was right above me. Yeah, that was close. Definitely, that was right above me. Wow, a lot of lightning. A lot of lightning in this one. Definitely not a good spot where I am. Standing in the parking lot next to all these vehicles. Wow. Don't want to stop. Whoa! Man, that was a good one. And close. Obviously, it's close. It's right over my head. At least there's no hail this time. I got my sandals on again. Mind you, I wasn't expecting this. I didn't hear them calling for a thunderstorm. Wow, that was good. Definitely got that one. Man, I'm looking forward to reviewing this footage. I've gotten a few good ones right over my head. I'm standing in between a bunch of steel cars. Not a good idea. Not a good spot. But it's hard to stop filming. Getting some amazing lightning bolts. Can I get one more before I need to go in and get out of this? Or at least put some shoes on. Hey, can I get one more? Wow, that was impressive. Got that one. Thank you for that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was a good one. No rain now. No rain yet. Wow. That was most impressive. Oh, there's some way over there too. Oh, just as I turned away. Definitely don't remember them calling for this. That's it. Wow, that one to the right, that was a big one. A lot of bass in that one. Whoa! That was a good one. I got that one on film. My neighbors are out. Whoa! There's some serious bass in that one. That's what I love about the thunder. All that bass. Wow. This is gonna be a good one. It's not a big storm, but definitely gonna be a good one. No rain yet. Thankfully, no hail. Wow. My cat will be freaking out inside. She'll be hiding under the bed. Wow. That was good. Most impressive. Whoa, that was spanned way over there. Oh, that light blinded me. That was a big one. Oh, here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. All right, now it's gonna get messy. I don't want to get my cameras wet. Wow, that was a good one too. All right, it's definitely starting to come down. I gotta get out of this. Okay, time to get out of this. Okay, I gotta hit the pause button here. Whoa, that might have been too quick for the camera, but that was right above my head. Still rumbling back over that way. Get under this. A little bit of shelter here. Well, then you got that light. That was a good one. I'm on the wrong side of the building. I hit the pause. Man, I'm missing. Hey, how you doing? I'm missing it. Missed a good one there. Okay, I got a little bit more shelter here now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Man, I'm choking on my mint. Definitely got some good lightning strikes so far. Wow. I look forward to reviewing this. This is gonna be a good one. I had lightning bolts right above my head. Some serious thunder. Well, that rain's almost stopped. Started picking up now. It's almost. Wow, that was a good one. Oh, no way. I'm gonna run out of space. Coming up on 10 minutes, or just over 9 minutes. That's all the space I got. Wow, well, at least I got some really good ones. Yeah, I'll just let it play till it. Wow, that was sweet.